Well, hello and welcome back to Teacher Kenny's English for Everyone, and I hope you're doing okay today. I'm doing okay. We are going to do a beginner, easy listening video today. Some of them I do are kind of hard, and some of them are a little easier. Today won't be so bad. I'm going to say we got 10 sentences about birds. Something about birds. And I'm going to say the sentences 2 times. Then I want you to think about what I said, and you can stop the video and write it down. But after I say the sentences 2 times, I'll reveal the sentence and see if what I say and what you hear match. Okay? It's kind of like keeping score. It's a game. So what I'm going to do when I say the questions today, I'm just going to cover my mouth so you cannot read my lips. Okay? Then I'll reveal the sentence. Okay? Should have a little bit of fun here today. All right. Now, if you're ready, I'm going to say the first sentence. And like I said, I'm going to cover my mouth, and I'll say it 2 times. So, sentence number 1. Birds can fly high in the sky. Birds can fly high in the sky. Did you hear that? We'll wait just a few seconds. Then I'll reveal the sentence. Okay? It'll be right here on the screen somewhere. Okay. Alright, let's move on. Sentence number 2. I'm going to cover my mouth again. Boop. Many birds are colorful and their feathers are beautiful. Many birds are colorful and their feathers are beautiful. That's probably the longest sentence in this lesson, okay? Alright, so here we go. I'm going to pop up the reveal. Boom. And you'll see it here in a minute. And we'll just mosey on. We'll amble on to sentence number 3. Are you ready? Birds have bright eyes and sharp beaks. Birds have bright eyes and sharp beaks. Are you guessing? How did you do? We got the reveal. I want you to see the reveal. And we'll go to sentence number 4. Alright, here we go. They build nests in trees and other places. They build nests in trees and other places. So you can't read my lips, see? So listen, try to write it down, or what you didn't hear. Then we'll do the reveal. Boom! And you can see what we said, or what I said. Here we go. Number 5. Sentence number 5. Some birds migrate long distances every year. Some birds migrate long distances every year. There might have been a couple new words. At least one new word may be in that sentence. So we got the reveal. Boom. And sentence number 6. I have to use both hands for this. 6. Birds sing beautiful songs. Birds sing beautiful songs. That should have been easy. Get the reveal. Sentence number 7. There are hundreds of different kinds of birds. There are hundreds of different kinds of birds. That's a fact. Did you hear it? We'll do a reveal. Sentence number 8. Are you ready? Cover on my mouth. Birds eat seeds, insects, and other food. Birds eat seeds, insects, and other food. Maybe a new word there. We'll see, won't we? Sentence number 9. They have wings to help them fly. They have wings to help them fly. Ready for the reveal? I don't know if I can get the reveal with my finger, but we'll try. We have one more sentence. This will be sentence number 10. Birds come in all shapes and sizes. Birds come in all shapes and sizes. Time for a reveal. We'll see. I'm having fun today, guys. All right, that's it. 10 easy sentences. Nothing should be too hard, but maybe a couple new words. But see how well your listening is, because you need to be listening to me and other native speakers. Listen to our voices, real English, and not listen to the voices of AI robots, okay? I'm not a big fan of their pronunciation either. So, I'm glad you have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I'll see you on the next lesson, okay? You take care. Say bye-bye.